What's going on, everybody? And that is my round of applause for you all for helping this channel reach 200 subscribers. So once again, everybody, I just want to thank you for 200 subscribers on this channel. I remember back in August, I did a 50 subscriber giveaway. And now we're already at 200. So I'm excited about that. And to show my excitement and gratitude, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this video. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and explain the prize already before I kind of held everybody in suspense. But the only suspense you're going to have is the amount, because I'm going to be giving away a gift card of your choice. Whatever you want, if it's Xbox, PS4, Apple, Google, whatever, Amazon, if you want an Amazon gift card, you're going to be able to let me know once you win the contest. So I'm not going to disclose the amount yet, but we'll find that out in the winning video. So there's going to be 3 steps. First step is you have to be subscribed to the channel. So of course, this is a giveaway for my subscribers. So if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Step number 2 would be to like this video and leave in the comment section the choice that you want for your gift card if you were to win. So if you, whatever, I mean, you could say a comment as well. Hey, this is a cool video, or hey, I love your channel, whatever, you know, show some love. But also put in there, I would like to get an Amazon gift card, or I would like to get an Xbox gift card, or I would like to get a League of Legends gift card, whatever, Riot Games, whatever you want. List it down below in the comments, like this video, and that will be step number 2. So the last step to enter into the giveaway is that you're going to take a screenshot that you're subscribed to the channel and take a screenshot of your comment and like of this video. You're gonna take those screenshots and then DM them to me on Snapchat or on Instagram. So once you've sent me the DM on Instagram or on Snapchat, that will officially put you in the giveaway. And once again, guys, I just want to thank you for everything you've done, all the support you've shown. I love connecting with you guys. I love engaging with you guys. Really, I want to go live more because that last live stream that I did was pretty fun. So just keep supporting my channel, and I will try to be good to y'all as long as y'all are good to me. I love this. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away an iPhone. So, hey, if you want to help me out, get there, reach that goal of 1,000 subscribers, then I would definitely give away an iPhone. Probably not the iPhone that I did in my unboxing video, but it may be the top of the line iPhone at the time. So you never know. Or I might just let you choose. But anyway, help me out. So thanks again for 200 subscribers and supporting my channel. Again, like this video, subscribe to my channel. That way so you can learn how to Apple without the E.
You did not know how. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I keep